Hi everyone, I'm Kana and welcome to my day 2 trying to work as a bioinformatician. Yesterday I explained it to you what type of videos are these, so I'm not going to explain it again. And if you want to know why am I doing this type of videos, I recommend to you to watch the day 1. Today my boyfriend is working from home, so I can't speak out loud very much. I think that this video will be shorter than the last video. Today I will do the same as yesterday. I'm going to do 3 Rosalind problems, and in the afternoon I'm going to continue with my web page. So let's go to the laptop. Okay, so today I'm going to do these 3 problems: reading frames, enumerating gene orders, and calculating protein mass. I'm going to start with this problem. I don't know if I finished these problems early, before 1 o'clock. And maybe I do another one, this one, locating restriction sites. Also in the afternoon, maybe I write to my tutor of my final degree project, because I want to know his opinion about my webpage, and also I want to ask him for any advice about the webpage. I don't know if I'm going to do that today, or I'm going to wait to finish the webpage before telling him that I am doing that, because he doesn't know. I just recorded without the microphone activated. I was telling you that I just finished the first problem. At first, I think that I needed to use the RNA sequence and also the reverse complement transcript to RNA. That wasn't the solution. I tried to use the DNA sequence and the reverse complement sequence, and that worked. So that worked. Oh my god, it's so difficult for me to pronounce the words that end with ed. But yes, I'm going to start at this moment the second problem.
One extremely annoying shift later.
Hello again. This morning I did 4 problems because there wasn't very difficult, and now I'm going to start with my webpage. The first thing that I am going to do is to think about what I want to implement, what I want to add to the webpage. I'm going to write it into my notebook, where I have all my ideas about my webpage, and when I have all clear, I will start programming. Oh my god, I spent a lot of time trying to modify my tables from the database, and I'm not finished. But oh my god, I just wanted to add 2 new columns. It was so difficult. The problem is that when I made my TFG is in Spanish, sorry. My final degree project, I did a bad code. It is so dirty. It's not professional because in that moment I didn't know how to program well. My final thesis, my final master thesis, my final thesis master, the final project of my master was so good. It is so clean, but my final degree project, it isn't. I spent a lot of time searching along the code to find what I want to add, because when I did it, I didn't save the tables that now I want to use. So I need to generate it again. But the good thing is that I compare the old files with the new files, and they are equal, so that's a good thing.
One eternity later.
It's 5 o'clock and finally I finished with the tables, but what I wanted to do, I can't do it because I just realized that I need to create one column per each subgraph. Yesterday I show it to you, the subgraphs, and I just realized that I need to create one column per each subgraph to put the p-value, but I didn't want it, so I prefer to make another table for my database with the go term. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to explain it well what I am doing, I think. Okay, I'm sorry because I was in the bathroom. I wanted to change the background of the video, but I think that it's better to sit down and explain it all. What I did in my final degree project is to analyze gene co-expression networks. I wanted to see with statistical analysis which Go terms are overrepresented in a subgraph. I don't know if I'm explaining it well, okay? I will try it. Now, what I want to do with my database is to put there all the genes with its enrichment value and its p-value. Before I had two tables, one table with the gene and the subgraph, and other table with the gene, its Go terms, what means that what Go term and aspect. Okay, so now I have three tables. The two tables that I told to you before. Now I have another table with the Go term, the subgraph, because one Go term can be in other subgraphs and their enrichment and p-values could be different. So now I have this table, okay? Go term, subgraph, enrichment value and p-value. That way I can do the relationships without problem, because I can join the tables and extract the information that I want. So now I have to change several things of my web page. I mean the functionality, because now I have another table and the user will be able to select other options, not only the options that I have at this moment. I think that maybe I will let you in the description box this explanation, but very well explained, okay? So I'm sorry, I'm trying to do my best, but I know that I'm making a lot of mistakes and I want to apologize, okay? But I'm so proud of me because I'm talking a lot and I didn't expect that. I think that I won't be able to speak too much. So I'm happy. I think that I'm going to finish this video at this moment. I'm going to continue with the code because I saw that I have a little mistakes and I have to correct them, and I'm going to try to finish the table generation, and tomorrow I will tell you if I conseguí. Os diré si lo conseguí. I don't know how to say that in this moment. My brain is burned. I don't have anything more to say, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye.